You want her to beg for your attention? Well, then stop acting like every other guy out there. It is time to man up and learn the real ways to catch her eye. If you're up for the challenge, keep watching. This is your moment. Don't waste it. Chapter 1. Be mysterious and unpredictable. So, you're an open book, huh? You think that's a good thing? Well, think again. If she knows your every move before you make it, you might as well be handing her a script. Keeping her guessing, keeping her on her toes, that will keep her interested. But how? Well, it's simple. Don't tell her every little thing about yourself. Don't always be available. Switch up your routine. Talk in a way that makes her think. Remember, mystery keeps the brain engaged. But spill everything and you turn into a dull, boring read before bedtime story. And trust me, that's not where you want to be. Chapter 2. Master your body language. Alright, listen up. Your words, they're only a fraction of the conversation. If your body's out there telling a different story, you might as well be speaking gibberish. You think she's not gonna notice? Think for a moment. She's reading you, bud. And if you're not careful, she'll pick up on every false move. Stand tall, control those nervous tics, use touch like a pro, and smile like you mean it. Your body's a tool, a weapon even. Master it, and you unlock the doors that you never knew existed. But get it wrong, and those doors, well, they will slam shut so fast you won't even know what hit you. Get it together, man, and speak the language that you can't resist. Chapter 3. Hold the frame. Don't fold like a wet noodle. You want to know what's really unattractive? A man who just bends over backwards to please a woman. I'm not telling you to be a jerk, but grow a spine. Have your beliefs, your standards, your boundaries, and you stick to them. You think she's going to respect you at all if you drop everything for her whims? Wrong. She will see right through that, and she'll lose interest faster than you can say doormat. Holding your frame is about being consistent, being the rock, and not being a shifting sand. Stand up for yourself, be assertive, and don't be afraid to say no. You are a man with dignity, not some puppet that she can control. Right. Chapter 4. High value. Prove it with your actions, not your mouth. Listen, buddy, anybody can talk big. But guess what? Talk is cheap. And if your actions don't back up your words, she's gonna see right through your pathetic charade. You want to be seen as high value? Prove it with how you act, how you treat others, how you handle your business, how you conduct yourself in every situation. If you're all talk and no action, she gon' sniff you out in a heartbeat. Step up. Chapter 5. Eye contact. Bet you didn't see this coming, but here it is, raw and simple. Eye contact. You think it's something minor? Well, then think again. Eye contact is where that connection starts. It's where the sparks fly. If you can't hold a gaze, what are you telling her? You're telling her that you're scared. You aren't sure, or worse, you're hiding something. Be bold with your eyes. Look into hers with confidence, with interest, with intent. Show her that you're present. You're not wandering off in your mind palace. It's more than just a look. It's a statement, a challenge, a connection. Trust me, it'll make a difference. Chapter 6. Be a man of your word. Promises are not to be taken lightly. Your word is your bond. You said you'd call her at 8? You better have your phone in hand at 7:59, I swear. Planning to meet for coffee? Be there 5 minutes early. Don't play loose with your commitments. Speaks volumes about your character. You can't keep a single promise. Why would she trust you with anything more? Being a man of your word is about honor, respect, integrity. Do not make promises you can't keep, and keep the ones that you do make. Simple, right? But the impact that it has is profound. If you're looking to make her beg for your attention, then stop chasing shadows. Stop pretending and start being real. That's the secret. That is the magic.